Unlock the power of collaboration with Hoylu and Digital AI Agility. Hoylu is an easy-to-use, cloud-based, agile project management and whiteboarding application. Hoylu's visual and iterative approach means better agile planning. Digital AI Agility is an industry-leading enterprise agile planning solution that drives consistency and efficiency. With Agility, you can scale up and out with ease, across teams, project workspaces, portfolios, and locations. Only Hoylu seamlessly integrates with Agility, saving customers time and effort by reducing duplicative work. Digital AI is also an official reseller of Hoylu. This agreement will continue to transform the way virtual agile planning is done. Because connecting Digital AI Agility to Hoylu saves time and effort. You can bulk import Agility tickets with just a few clicks. Reduces duplicate work. Your work is automatically updated in both Hoylu and Agility. Increases transparency and communication. You can easily visualize and map dependencies. Improves collaboration in real time. Integrating Hoylu with Digital AI Agility provides customers with a fully integrated value stream. You'll get a clear view of agile planning as it happens, seizing opportunities to improve and drive immediate impact. Unlock the power of collaboration with Hoylu and Digital AI Agility.